Hello little learners, welcome back to our fun maths lesson. Today we're going to learn about subtraction within 20. Subtraction means taking away. When we take away, the number gets smaller. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look at these 5 apples. Okay, we have 5 apples and I'm going to remove 2 of them. How many apples do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Great job. Now let's try 6 minus 2. We're going to start with 6 and then we're going to take away 2. So this time we're going to use our finger trick. Okay, so you're going to hold out your 10 fingers and then close them. Open 6 fingers because that's our starting number, and because it's take away 2, we're going to fold over 2 fingers that have been held up. Now we're going to count the number of fingers we have left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's do 8 minus 3. We're going to start with 8 fingers. Then we're going to fold 3. How many do we have left? 5. Excellent. Now let's do 10 take away 4. So we're going to hold out 10 fingers, so all 10 of our fingers. We're going to fold 4 of them. We're going to count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 take away 4 is 6. Wonderful. Now let's do it using objects. We have 7 fish. We can see 7 fish. 2 of the fishes swim away. How many fishes are left now? Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now we have 9 balloons. 4 of the balloons flew away. Okay, how many balloons do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 balloons left. Fantastic. Now it is your turn. I'm going to give you a subtraction question. You're going to answer it using the finger trick and you're going to tell me the answer. And then we will check together. Are you ready? 12 minus 2. Excellent. It is 10. Then we have 15 minus 5. 10. Wonderful. Then we're going to do 18 minus 4. 14. Amazing. 20 minus 3. Fantastic. 9 minus 1. It is 8. Well done. 14 minus 4. 10. 19 minus 5. 14. Today we learned that subtraction means taking away. We practice subtracting numbers within 20. You're becoming a maths superstar. Keep practicing subtraction every day. You'll get quicker and quicker, and soon you won't be needing to do any of the tricks anymore. You can just do it in your head. See you next time. Bye bye, friends.